Well, here we are at Longbridge. This is the last part of the original factory left here. And that was built for the Rover 75 over there. The flight shed, all that's gone. There's the conference centre there. That's where they're selling the cars at the moment. But they are going to be moving out of there to somewhere built far closer to the front here. So it could be just around here somewhere. But Cecil Kimber MG Academy there. And the elephant shed all closed up by 18 months ago, I believe. There we are. Some of the new cars here, the MG3, ZS, GS. But now not the 6, that's been discontinued. There we are. The cars come here. Longbridge Rally Day. They come here for photographs, and apparently some people meet down the Sainsbury's, which is now built on part of the former factory site. They all come and meet and have a good chat. All the cars, the MGs, Triumphs and everything. There we are. Some people leaving Marina there. And we have the Triumph 2000 Mark 1. There we are. A few Rovers, some are leaving there from 75s. There we are. MGs, ZT, I should say that. There we are. Lowhill Lane here at Longbridge.